What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about Aterian. Once again, that's Aterian with ticker symbol ATER. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. Aterian, by the time of this recording, has currently traded $5 during the market hours. It's up 23.76% during the trading hours and still up 4.20% in the after hours with a value of $5.21. If you go to fintel.io, you can see that the short interest of free float is 34.76%. It's a whopping 34.76%. Off exchange short volume is 11,256,383 shares, and off exchange short volume ratio 50.84%. Also, if you go to MarketBait, it says here that your 5-day performance of the stock itself is a whopping 29.87%. A 1-month performance of 113.68%, and still, if you go to your 3-month performance, it's 36.61%. Year to date, it has a performance of 21.65%. Guys, it's all green based on the charts. So, initially, first of all, I'd like to congratulate all those Aterian holders, okay, for holding the stock, and they believe, their belief with the stock and its performance. Once again, congratulations, guys. So currently, guys, this stock is very popular. If you go to Reddit, if you go to Twitter, you can actually see people mentioning the Ater as a stock, and I'm so proud of this stock. Recently, it has a high cost to borrow, and it has a very high short interest. So everybody is looking for that short squeeze. Okay, while we go on to that, hopefully we can see that tomorrow. The stock, is hype, and it just touched that $5, which is once again a huge win for the retail. Okay, so let's take a look at an article here that I found out from the street. So usually you guys would see bearish article from this website, but this is an article from April 11. It says here, Aterian stock, the latest short squeeze on the block. Aterian is up more than 90% since the beginning of April. And here's what you need to know about the market's latest short squeeze. If you scroll down here, it says, over the past month or so, Ater stock has become a darling among popular Reddit forums. That's true. Retail investors were looking to make profits off short sellers who had been betting heavily against the stock since the middle of last year. And thanks to Ater's share price nearly doubling within a week, now the entire market is paying attention to. Why is Aterian a short selling target? It says here, Aterian operates a software platform that applies data analytics and machine learning to end consumer products. In plain English, the company identifies products that receive high search interest in popular online marketplaces like Amazon's, and provides items for these categories through acquisitions and licensing partnerships with manufacturers. Aterian stock gained popularity during August of last year, when attention was drawn to its high short interest. A bearish report from Culper Research put Ater's short ratio at 23%. So, guys, those news is nothing new. As you can see, it happened to Mullen, it happened to Lucid. So, those short selling report is nothing new. But stocks nowadays are very resilient. It goes down, but like I said, there's no way but up. That same report called Aterian an overhyped artificial intelligence story and implied that the company has made garbage acquisitions. I don't want to really read that, but guys, it's just in the article. Okay, the stock is this is a very good security. I like it. Aterian defended itself from the attacks by saying that the report was a lie to manipulate the share price for Culper's own benefit. So it's good that the company itself speaks against accusations like that. At the time, in May of last year, the report caused Aterian stock to plummet. Ater fell nearly 80% between May and August of 2021, but then shares soared 400% in an apparent short squeeze between August and September. As you can see, history repeats itself. In November last year, Aterian CEO Yaniv Sarig added fuel to the fire by suggesting that the company had been the target of illegal short selling practices in the market, and that it was fighting back. So now, I think this is the most awaited part of the article. It says here that the short squeeze play. Recently, Wall Street memes pointed out that Aterian was a potential short squeeze stock for April. This was due to a number of factors converging for a short squeeze, including 33% increase in the stock's short interest compared to the previous month, and a strong increase in the ticker's popularity among major retail investors communities on Reddit. So that is true, guys. If you go to Reddit, you can clearly see everybody's watching over Reddit. And today, like I said, is a huge win for retail. Ater finally hit another milestone of $5 in share price. So okay, so once again, let's take a look. What do we expect with Aether ahead of the trading tomorrow's trading? So guys, today Aterian actually closed with a volume of a whopping 47.27 million, and the average volume for this stock is only 6.62 million. So, like I said, retail investors want that juicy candy out of that short squeeze. If you go to your daily time frame here, there's definitely a gap, but uh, uh, I was hoping that it would respect this green candle and push, more on the upside. But we're going to that area of your RSI, which it goes to the oversold, overbought section. Okay, but if you compare that to the previous instances here, if it goes to, this spikes, right? This huge spikes, it should at least touch this area. So I want to see this RSI touch the go at least 72.90. It could go for another good price action, ahead of tomorrow. Okay, now, if you go to your 4-hour time frame, what's very juicy with this stock is if you go to your 4-hour time frame, once again, this stock, the BWAP is right above your 200 EMA, okay, and it's right above all of those indicators, okay, 5 EMA, 50 EMA. I actually would like to see another upside swing for this stock. The next resistance for the stock is $5.53, which is not too far out for a momentum play like this. So if I would compare this stock, this in my opinion, this is a meme stock at the same time a future growth stock. Okay, so these kinds of companies, these are the ones I like because they reflect our future. Okay, artificial intelligence, they are our future. Now, if you go to your 15-minute time frame, you can also see here that there's a huge juicy candle here that tells me that it respects all these exponential moving averages, but we might pull back a little bit for tomorrow because we are currently in that overbought section. Okay, and also if you go to your stochastics, you can see here that your blue is right above your brown, which means that we have an upside momentum. And also, just to add to that, here in your after hours chart, so in my Webull there's an after hour chart, so it has settled down in the after hours chart. So it looks to me that we have another upside swing tomorrow. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, just feel free to put them in the comment section below of this video. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.